Okay, so Harborside Marina has been a Chris Craft dealer for almost 25 years, and people ask us why so many people come back to us, and the simple answer is we know the boats inside and out. We take excellent care of them. We have every make, model, year, vintage, color, engine of Chris Crafts on the property. We store over 150 Chris Crafts each and every year. And the simple answer is we know the boats inside and out. We do custom work. We do normal maintenance. And we treat the boats like they're our own. So when we deliver them back to our customers each and every spring, they're a 10 out of 10 again. Okay, so this is a brand new 2021 30-foot Catalina. We had it custom done with fountain blue underside, and we actually did the full teak job on this boat ourselves. We're getting quite good at it right now. We have a contractor that comes in and does all the teak, fits everything perfectly, and we can add this to pretty much anybody's boat right now. So if you don't have a full heritage package and you'd like it, let us know and we can do this for you as well. Some of these boats don't come with bow thrusters, and we put in quite a few bow thrusters every year. As you can see, this is a job that was done by Harborside. This is actually a job that was done by the factory, but not every make and model has the ability to have the bow thruster installed at the factory. We can put it on any boat. So some of the custom work that we do on these boats. All right, I wanted to show you this boat. This is kind of a different variation, which a lot of people don't understand. This is a 34-foot Corsair. One of my favorite customers had a bunch of Chris Crafts over time. But you see, he's got the cashmere colored hull, but the top side is actually matched, color matched, and gives this boat an unbelievable look. The Corsairs look great like this, but all the other models do as well. It's, you know, an added expense obviously, but it gives it a total different look if that's an option you're considering. If you are interested in a Chris Craft and you're looking for information, whether you live anywhere in the country, we're happy to assist you, help you out. If we can't help you, we'll point you in the right direction. But we're happy to answer your questions.